Hi lovely people, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is a night lamp, bedside lamp. Join me, let's do it, let's make it together. This is lightburn software. Is where I designed this lamp from. Yes, yeah, someone complained on the previous video that I was so fast. I took them so fast, so they failed to pick up something. So this time I hope to go a bit slow, but remember the video will go a bit long, so be ready, buckle up, and let's do it. Yeah, this is fill. So when you do fill, it means that you're going to engrave and then make that dark layer you see. So this is the preview. When you're learning engraving, make sure you use this preview properly, because if what you see in the preview is not what you're aiming for, trust me, you're not going to get the results very well, because in the preview here is what is going to go on the project that you're making. So after the preview, and I made sure that's what I want and it's the right one, so I had to go and source the sources to get the sources that I need. So I have this hat because this customer of mine made this order, and then he wanted the names of the family on it, but he wanted the heart shape acrylic. So that's what I had to get. I had no option, so I had to get the heart shape. So this is our Atomstack. Switch it on. You see when you switch on, it brings the red light. That's when you know it's on. And the air assist will start making that sound. Then you get to know it's now on. So acrylic usually comes with the protective films, both sides. So you have to remove it, because when you engrave with the film on, trust me, it will not, it might go on, but it will bring some like shade on the acrylic. It will not look nice, and it's supposed to be clear like you see here. Yes, that's how it's supposed to be. So after removing the protective film, I had to put it on the black card sheet and then put it on the engraving bed. Imagine guys having all this lecture, all this explanation on a live video. What do you think? I'm planning to start live videos or streaming live so that you can interact with me, I can interact with you, ask me questions, I answer them, give me ideas of the projects that you want me to do. There is a lot. It's going to be fun, it's going to be educative, it's going to be everything, a combo. So just don't miss. I'll let you know when I'm starting this. So this I'm doing, it's called framing. Framing, you let the laser move around and show you where the design is going to be. And when it's not showing the part that you're aiming for, you're free to adjust, move the project around, move the material around until when you see that it's good. And then you can fire. So after tracing, I saw that, after framing, I saw that it was good. Then I started. Yeah. Yes, last time I skipped this part. This time I'm not going to skip it. I'm just going to rush it. I'll let it go faster, but I'll not skip it, because you know, some people enjoy some things that I don't even think people would enjoy. But yeah, I had to give this view. What I did, I put my phone inside the enclosure and then I filmed the whole process. So I'm just playing it faster, but I will not skip it. naye nga musibye mutya dear, how's been your day? Hope everyone is doing all right. I'm okay too, alhamdulillah. Yeah, so tell me in the comment section, please give me your views. What do you think about the streaming live? Do you think it will be beneficial? If you need it, what projects do you want me to start with? Because I have resin, I have rhinestoning, shoes, glasses, cups, a lot. I have this engraving, I have embroidery, I have heat press. So tell me, which project should I start with? Because it's going to be like a lesson. In fact, I'm giving free lessons here. This course, you would pay a lot of money to have it, but I offer to give it at free cost. So don't lose the chance. Make sure you use this opportunity that is on your table and be on the live. Yeah, I'm planning to start it on Friday, inshallah. This Friday. Today is 18th. Is it? Not sure. But this Friday, so I'll let you know. I will keep updating in each and every video that I will be posting. So be attentive and make sure to check out for my videos for the updates. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for your support, for your views, for your comments, for your likes and everything. Please, if you're not following the channel yet, please do consider doing it, because there is a lot of tutorials going on here. There's a lot of learning. In this competitive world, we need this kind of skills. Trust me, guys, you need this kind of skills, because yeah, you never know what will come up next. You may start up something like this, you may start up small, you may start up with one machine. So I did not also have all these machines at once. I had one by one, so you can also do it one at a time. So there's nothing beautiful, there's nothing so sweet having your own business like this. So take this opportunity when you can have these lessons free of charge. So please follow the channel and let's learn together. So the engraving is done and this is how it looks like. Yeah, one day I will tell you why I have to put this black card sheet at the back of it. So I had to remove the black card sheet and this is how it looks like. So I took it down, wash it. It's just a simple cloth, a soft cloth with just water. No soap, no chemicals, just water, and it will be clean. Yes, because that is just a paper that you put these stains, because the laser has to put through to burn through the acrylic, then aim for the paper, and then the paper will reflect the design onto the acrylic. See, when it's washed, very simple. So on the tissue, you just dab it. Please don't rub, don't wipe, don't do what. It's just dabbing and it will be dry, clear. Because in the process of rubbing or in the process of wiping, you never know, you might damage it, you might crack it, you never know what will happen next. So it's better put it on the tissue or just dab it, you tap it to dry. So let's try it on the base and see how it turned out. Yeah, So the lamp is already on. I was trying to change the other side of the sensor to face this way so I can use the remote like properly or easily, but it couldn't. So there you go. This order is done. How about your order? Please make your orders. Yeah, I'm open for the orders. Thank you so much, guys. If you have made it this far, it means a lot to me. It really, really means a lot to me. So I remove the seal. Is it called a seal? That thing is put in the remote so that the remote does not connect with the cells. This is how it turned out. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me. I think I should be signing out by now. Bye-bye. See you next time. Stay tuned for the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.